Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the chat and tapping the attach icon, then location. This moves you from intent to action immediately. Once done, pick Share Live Location rather than a static pin so your position updates continuously. You must grant precise location permission for accuracy and to let WhatsApp run in background. Make sure battery saver is off or configured, otherwise updates may pause. This first step establishes the secure stream WhatsApp needs to broadcast your live trail to recipients. Now you decide how long to share. Choose 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours depending on meeting length or trip. This balances privacy with utility. Once selected, add a short comment if you want to say why you're sharing. This helps recipients act faster. Tap Send, and verify the chat shows the live location card with an active moving marker. That confirms successful sharing. If you're using multiple devices, make sure the device sending is the one you'll carry. To finish or manage sharing, tap the live location message and press Stop Sharing when you arrive. This ends broadcast immediately. If location stops updating, check GPS accuracy, enable background app refresh, and disable restrictive battery modes because these commonly interrupt live updates. Once done, you can resend live location or restart the app or device to refresh permissions and connections. Remember, restarting often resolves transient GPS or network glitches and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.